Hi everyone, and welcome back to Spice and Simplicity with Julie, where we make delicious meals effortlessly. Guess what we are making today? Ofe Onugbu, also known as Bitterleaf Soup. This is from the eastern part of Nigeria, a flavorful, rich, and delicious meal. This isn't your everyday soup, but trust me, once it's made, it disappears fast. Stay with me as I show you how to make this delicious traditional meal step by step. The ingredients are the already washed bitter leaf, 3 habanero peppers, which will be sliced, and meat stock. If you want to see how this is prepared, click on the link above. Then for the dried ingredients, we have the locust bean, we have the German soup seasoning, nut cubes, salt to taste, the grounded Quaker oats, crayfish grinded, and we also have our protein of choice, our stockfish, beef, tried, and goat meat. And finally we have our palm oil. First we'll add the meat stock. Next we'll go in with the habanero peppers, the locust bean, German seasoning, soup seasoning, and salt to taste. So we'll add our stockfish, we add the already cooked beef tried, goat meat. Also we add our already cooked beef. So we add about 3 cups of water because I do not have enough meat stock. So we allow to cook for about 10 minutes. Next is to add the crayfish. And the nut cubes, which are crushed here. We'll cover for 5 minutes, allow this to cook. It's been 5 minutes, so we'll go in with our palm oil. We'll cover and allow this to cook for another 5 minutes. Let's prepare our thickener from the grounded oats. Add in our oat paste. So we'll cover to make sure the thickener melts. It's 5 minutes now. It's all melted, the oats. So now we add our washed bitter leaf. So we allow this to cool down about 10 minutes before serving. Our Ofe Onugbu is ready to be served. Remember to like, share, and subscribe so you can be receiving these delicious recipes.